Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove extra spaces by using trim function. So I have a sample dump over here in column A. So I'm going to remove all the extra space um, in these cells. So I'm going to apply trim function, select, and then just select the text, close the parenthesis, hit enter. It is asking me to autofill the formula. I'm going to hit OK. So as you can see, the formula is filled for rest of the dump. So this is now looks clean. So this is how you can remove extra spaces. I have also another dump over here. I'm gonna apply the same formula for this dump as well. Trim, select the dump, hit enter. So I'm gonna drag the formula. As you can see, after applying the trim uh, formula. Also, you see some spaces in the some of the uh, cells because the format of these particular cell is different. So this is a date format and this is something else. So that is the reason it is even after applying the trim function, it is not erasing the space. To completely erase the space, you need to apply substitute formula. Substitute, select the cell. I'm gonna replace space with, I'm gonna replace this space. Now close the parenthesis and hit enter. Apply. Okay. So you have to enter after substitute, select the cell reference. Then you are selecting the space and replacing with no space. So that's how the formula works. Now it looks clean. And the extra spaces are removed. But if you want to maintain the format as it is, then you don't need to apply this substitute formula. So that is it from my end. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.